Just look at that mouse. Just look at it. Just look at it. It's all stuck in the thing, as you can see. Just take a look. Say hi to the camera. Hi to the camera, little mouse. You can see it, either its foot or something is stuck. It's in a lot of pain right now. I'm not for sure what the issue is. It's in a lot of pain. Who's a cute mouse? Who's a cute mouse? Who's a cute mouse? You see him trying to get out. You see him trying to get out. Hope it doesn't die. Now it's eating the pancake. The miniature pancake, should I say. It's a good little mouse. Is it good? You like it? Good. Glad you like it. Just trying to get out. You see, guys, look at this. Guys, this is awesome. Look at this mouse. Now it's sitting there staring at me, so it knows what's going on. Oh man, that poor thing. Oh, this poor mouse needs help. Needs help. Don't sniff at me. What are you looking at? Say hi to the camera. Say hi. I think it's too shy. Come on, little guy. Yeah, it's caught all right. It's caught. It's caught. I don't know why. It is just stuck there. Sorry, guys. Sorry about that. Sorry about the low quality. Say hi to the camera. Oh, now it's going back to, now it's minding its own business. Yeah, sorry about the low quality, guys. Sorry about the low quality. Come on. I know why you're sitting there. Come on, you need to move. Look what happened. And guys, hey guys, look what happens when I nibble at its fingers. Why doesn't it like me? Everybody likes me. Stupid. You baby. Oh, look at that. Yeah. Yeah, get off my hand. Oh, I'm stuck. Oh, how am I gonna get out of here? Stuck in the mousetrap. I'm all stuck in the mousetrap. I can't find my way out. What am I gonna do now? Oh, this sucks. Better eat that pancake.